What up, guys? So, got some money in them. I wanted to make this quick update video for y'all, but so all my fines are paid off now. So I can get my license back now and drive my TRAILBLAZER. I bought some parts for that, a lift kit, everything it needs to keep it running, and then I just bought this 60-inch LG HD TV. I measured it out. See those marks? Each one of those marks is where one corner is going to be. That was measured for 65 inches, but it's going to be like 3 inches shorter, but it's still going to fit the wall perfectly. And I got this. They had one for 20. It was shit. It was a 20-inch to a 55 or 60-inch, man. It was 20 bucks. This one was 95. So I went with this one, but I'm gonna unbox this TV, let you guys know what I think. First impressions. I'm just gonna get myself situated here, and yeah, get the tools, and we'll get to it. So I don't know if you guys remember what my room looked like beforehand. I had a stand right here, and then a 32-inch TV. I was getting a 65 or 70. They were all out of stock, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have this for 10 years. 15 inches smaller than I wanted. It's still big though, because you can see every line I have is where the corner is gonna be. I'm raising it in the top, like as far as I can go, because I had to look down, and that's just annoying as hell. So I try to put up as high as I can. I'm gonna look for a beam right now, so I can put where the fuck did that go? The fuck? Oh, right here. Put that 80-inch stand up. It's $95. It was either that, or like I said, a 60-inch stand max, and it was $20, and the lightest thing I ever felt in my life. So, alright, so we about done. Had some coffee, took a break, because I have a drill. What is it? A drill right there, but I don't have the tool for it to drill into the wood that's behind here. So I had to use, I did this on my brother's too. Measured it out, hammered this, made sure this was used properly so it's not on an angle. And then after that, I used this. Hold on, I used this because I didn't have a socket that'll fit the one they gave me. So I used this right here and screwed it in halfway. So I have it started. So now my brother can hold it up, and then I'm gonna screw it in. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Quick, I didn't have a drill, so I had to ratchet these in. I didn't have a socket for it, so I hammered it, used this one, and then put that one over top. So I'm gonna get the TV on. Fucking right, dude. 60-inch TV up in this bitch, y'all. Best believe I'm gonna fucking be quarantined, clean down here, smoking some fucking bud. Chilling, watching this shit. Fucking right, dude. I always had a 32-inch sitting right there. Man, I've been waiting for this for 3 years. I worked my ass off for it, and best believe I'm gonna fucking flex this shit. You hear me? This is literally where I'm sitting right now. Look, and it's perfect view. I love it.